put some money in your pocket as soon as next week. So welcome, and I hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Starting off with number 1 is called ExecLeads in California. This is an inside sales rep. You're going to be handling high call volume. It's going to be a high call volume, and this is in California. 2 is called the Search Agency in Glendale, California, and this is a display media. 1 year experience in social and display buying, paid media, execution, and optimization. If you want more ways of how to make money, such as what I'm telling you about today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. If you might miss one of these videos, if you hit the bell notification, you will be notified when I do my future videos. Number 3 is called Digital Science, and this is in San Francisco, California, and it's a web content publisher. You need a Bachelor's of Arts or Science degree in journalism. 4 is called PACO Plastics and Engineering, and this is in Santa Fe Springs, California. And this is a virtual travel consultant. I always give a brief summary of the job description, give you a description of the job so you can at least have an idea of what the job is really all about. Number 5 is called Staff Management, and this is in Eden Valley, Minnesota, a customer service rep, and you need a high school diploma. You're going to get a background check, and a drug test is required for this position. Yes. So 6 is called TC Homes in Dayton, Minnesota, customer service rep. Maintain all selection books, computer software with current pricing and selections that are available to you to give out to the customers. 7 is called Frasco Inc, Minneapolis, Minnesota, insurance investigator. Must have exceptional writing skills. 8 is called Ultra Dynamics Graphics, Los Angeles, California. Remote sales position. You must have experience in sales and marketing. Stay with me to the end of this video if you have a couple of minutes so you don't miss any information that I might have to give you at the end of this video. So thank you for just chilling with me for like 10 minutes or less, and let's get it going. 9 is called Vox Direct, Minneapolis, Saint+Paul, Minnesota, a sales consultant, and you're going to be working on commission. And you know what? You can either work part-time or full-time. It's all up to you. You're going to be a sales consultant. You're going to be working on commission. So if you're comfortable with working on commission, just click the link below and start the process. 10 is called Cigna in Georgia, customer service rep, professional interact with customers and business partners, both internal and external. 11 is called HOM Furniture, and this is Coon Rapids, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Customer service rep, answer incoming customer service calls and resolve all questions, requests, and changes to ensure the highest level of customer service. 12 is called Emory Healthcare in Atlanta, Georgia, and this is a patient access associate, and this is a part-time position. 13 is called Cargill, and this is in Hopkins, Minnesota, sales account rep. You need a bachelor's degree or a high school diploma is required. So if you have a high school diploma or if you have a bachelor's degree, that's cool. 14 is called Eye Care Financial, and you can work anywhere within the United States. Appointment setter, you can make from $40,000 to $50,000 a year. You gotta have experience making 100 plus calls a day, making outbound cold calling, and working in the database of warm leads. They're going to provide you with the warm leads, so you don't have to be looking all over for all these weird numbers. They're going to provide you with warm leads so you can make the call which is the cold calling. That's what you're going to be doing. 15 is called mass attention. And this is in Houston, Texas. Energetic appointment setter. B2B, business to business, and they have flexible hours. So if you're working in the morning and you need make some nighttime work, like nighttime money, legit, click on this link and start the process. Everything I talk about, all the jobs I talk about, I put on the bottom of this video, and you just check out anyone that you find appealing to you. And you're going to be calling with this job. You're going to be 15 to 20 dials to prospects every hour. That will be expected of you. Number 16 is called YER. YER in Nashville, Tennessee, customer service. You're going to work in close contact with the customers via phone, operations, and head of maintenance remotely. 17 is called Madison Allied LLC in Tarrytown, New York. And it's a virtual real estate agent. You be licensed real estate agent. You must be a licensed real estate agent. I have to emphasize that. You got to have your license. Or the accommodation of a licensed agent. 18 is called Ashley Home Stores of Central Ohio. This is in Mansfield, Ohio, sales associate. You don't need any experience. They will train you, and they will train you with dedicated trainers. You don't need any experience with this position. 19 is called Bark Busters Tree Service, Marietta, Georgia, outside sales rep commission, and they pay with bonus. So not only do you get a commission, you get paid on commission with a bonus on top of that. 20 is called support services. This is in St. George, Utah, and this is an inbound sales professional. Competitive salary, which means you can make from $18 to $27 an hour. If you find any of these appealing, if you find any of these work from home potential jobs interesting, just click on the link. And if you want more ways of how to make money from the comforts of your home, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and start the process. I want to say thank you for coming to my channel. And I want to say thank you and welcome for just checking me out and see what I got to talk about. And I hope that any one of these 20 work from home jobs is going to put some money in your pocket, because that is my ultimate. This is what I want to give you, that opportunity to put money in your pocket. And here is 20 work from home jobs that's going to help you actually do that. So just click on the link, start the process, share the video if you may know somebody that may need a work from home job. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you want more ways of how to make money from home, or you just want to make money online as entry level, as data entry, or if you just want to make some passive income. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, so when I do my future videos, you'll be the first one to get a notification, and then you could check out my new video. With that being said, I want to say thank you for coming to the channel, and I want to say I appreciate you and enjoy this video. And if you find any one of these 20 work from home jobs interesting, just click on the link and start the process. Thank you and have a nice day. And I appreciate you so much. You have no idea. And I hope that I just made a difference in helping you get a work from home job. Take care for now. Bye-bye. See you on the next video.